today's industrial world, things are always moving faster and faster. Now, if you could adapt your business model as rapidly as your customers' needs are changing, would it be valuable to you? At Latécoère, we decided to embrace the future. And we built 2 new factories, a real one, and its Delmia digital twin. Thank you. Experiencing the virtual model of my plant and all of its equipment, I now fully understand what my new factory will look like, so I can reshape it on purpose. You know, I think I'll need some more space here for my next generation production line. Perfect. Sometimes it's good to take a step back. Oh, hey, Martin, how are you? And get the big picture to better orchestrate and balance production flow. You know, I was just thinking, wouldn't it be better if I put this machine there? Yes, it is. Powerful, isn't it? But all of this would be useless if not applied to the real world of production. You see, my factory functions exactly the way I modeled and simulated it in virtual. The point is, all customers are the same, highly demanding and fast changing. The beauty of the 3D Experience digital twin lies in its ability to explore possible future horizons, whether I'm introducing a new product or looking for greater efficiencies. Leveraging the 3D Experience platform and Delmia, we have created a foundation to prepare for the factories of tomorrow. We're ready for the future. Are you?